Hello, this is Victor at RestoreMercedes.com. This is a quick video for Jerry, a local customer here in New York. Alright Jerry, so I got your cylinders, the most difficult ones, done. This is one of the jobs that I really hate doing, but it needs to be done, it's done. I also had to take all the panel off because I had to get to the seat switch because seat controls were not working. So once you fold the seat, and it didn't go back, and I had to actually make seats work so I can actually fold it back. Alright, so basically cylinders as we know it, they're in there. Somebody did some work over here, you can tell it's kind of messy, but so that's the main redone, and the little one redone as well. You can see its shaft right over there, and it doesn't focus, but it's there obviously, like right shiny piece right there. That's the secondary oh no, I'm sorry, that's not it, I'm sorry, my bad. Okay, anyway, it doesn't matter. So let's just do roof cycle. Roof is a little on the slow side. I refilled the fluid, but so once I open this I can show you. So now, as you see, it is all nice and dry. There is no leak from this cylinder. Was just shooting out fluid like crazy. So that's done. I just still need to assemble the car because all of that stuff has to be disassembled. So that's that. Well, the others, we know they're leaking. That's leaking. This one is leaking. Well, we already saw that. The roof works fine, and I refilled the fluid like I said. You probably will have some fluid leak, so you might lose some fluid at the end of the day. So again, as you can see, no fluid is shooting out the cylinder. This one was the worst. I will show you seals from mains and from another side because I did both sides, of course, and you will see they're pretty much perished. So yeah, roof operates. We're good to go. The other cylinders, we'll deal with them later. For now, I need to have this cover open so I can assemble it, everything together. I mean, it operates right now, so we're good to go. So this is just a quick one, just to show you before I put everything back together. So this is our old leak. That was pretty much a lot of leaking. So I guess this is it for me. Let's just go on the other side real quick. Same story here. Everything is nice and dry in that department down there. Well, I cannot make a good video about these things because they're deep in there. So this is dry. The main is also dry. Here's the main. So everything's put back together, right? All in order. I'm also going to clean up drains because they're a little blocked. As you can see, the drains are a little blocked off. That little thing is a drain. It needs to be cleaned up. I pulled out a few things out, but I'll blow it with air. Alright, so this is basically all for me. And pretty much I will put it back together now, and it's all ready to go for now. Engine, I will talk about the engine. There's some vacuum leaks going on, but that's the next thing. I checked the pressure is good. Alright, so this is all for me. This is Victor at RestoreMercedes.com. Thank you for watching.